Hey, you're, Fred Astaire. Hello.
All right, hello. I'm sorry, I can't quite place you. What line of business are you in?
Well, I dance.
Oh, at home for the folks, picnics and that kind of thing?
Oh, no, in public.
On street corners?
Oh, no, on the screen, motion pictures. You do go to pictures that have dancing in them, don't you?
Well, I try to see them all. I go as often as I
did you see a
can.
picture called Cover Girl?
Yes.
Well, who did all the dancing in that?
You're not Rita Hayworth.
No, I'm not, Ginger.
Well, so long, Gene.
See you around.
I've got a little number
to do here.
You have?
Well, sure.
Here?
Sure.
Well, say, why don't we just ad-lib a little something together then, huh?
Whip it up right here on the spot, huh?
Throw it away.
Like the one we've been rehearsing for 2 weeks.
A Babbitt met a bromide on the avenue one day and held a conversation in their own peculiar way. They both were solid citizens, they both had been around, and as they spoke you clearly saw their feet were on the ground.
Hello. How are you?
How's the folks?
What's new?
I'm great.
That's good.
Ha ha!
Knock wood.
Well, well.
That's life.
What do you know?
How's a wife?
Gotta run.
Oh, my.
Ta-ta.
Olive oil.
Goodbye. Went quickly by for both these substantial men, and then it happened that one day they chanced to meet again. That they had both developed in 10 years, there was no doubt, and so of course they had an awful lot to talk about.
Hello. How are you?
How's the folks?
What's new?
I'm great.
That's good.
Ha ha!
Knock wood.
Well, well.
That's life.
What do you know?
How's a wife?
Gotta run.
Oh, my.
Ta-ta.
Olive oil.
Goodbye. Before they met again, some 20 years they had to wait. This time it happened up above inside St. Peter's Gate. A harp each one was carrying, and both were sprouting wings. And this is what they said as they were strumming on the strings.
Hello. How are you?
How's the folks?
What's new?
I'm great.
That's good.
Ha ha!
Knock wood.
Well, well.
That's life.
What do you know?
How's a wife?
Gotta fly.
Oh, my.
Ta-ta.
Olive oil.
Goodbye.